Could you please walk us through the complete EB-5 process? I mean, from identifying a project till, someone gets a green card.
So the process would be that you would, of course, identify the process. First step would be that you realize that you wish to pursue this process, right? You make a decision that I do have my $800,000 identified, or $1,050,000 identified, and now I'm going to follow this EB-5 route to get my permanent residency in the US. Next would be you start your search, which would be a two-pronged search. You would start looking for a project, let's make it three-pronged. You would start with realizing whether you're doing a direct project. Then you'd start looking into businesses that would potentially create good jobs and would be beneficial for you as well. Second would be, if suppose it's not direct, then you'd start looking at regional centers. And what kind of projects are they offering? You'll start reviewing the projects, looking at the pros and cons, as I said, of any given project. Third, in my opinion, a very important prong would be that you'd start looking for an attorney. Someone like myself or many other wonderful attorneys that you would look at, who could then walk you through the entire process and hold your hands to do this simple yet very complex route towards your permanent residency. The second step, after you've identified and we've collected our money, we've identified a project, we have an attorney. Now the attorney is going to file your investor petition, as we call it. It's a form called Form I-526E if you are going with the regional center, and straightforward Form 526 if you're doing a direct investment. That would be the next step.
Okay.
I'm only talking about the investor petition right now. So in this now, if we have, once this is filed, you are now in line for being recognized by USCIS as a bona fide investor. When do you get that recognition? Is when your I-526E or 526 form is approved. At that point, the government is saying you are now an investor, a bona fide investor. We will give you the permanent residency that you are seeking. So that is your next step. And after that, you get your permanent residency, which is at the current times, you can file for this benefit of getting the permanent residency alongside your 526 forms.
Okay.